You're using Weebly, and now we want to send it out different kind of email newsletter to a client, and you want to make sure that those emails goes to their inbox. For example, you want to use the Gmail suite you're using with your Weebly website, and you want to make sure that your domain's email when you send by using the paid account, your email goes to your clients or other people's inbox as well too. So to do that one, what you really need to do is you need to configure your domain name settings properly. You're going to make sure that any kind of emails you're sending out through even MailChimp or used by Sender, any kind of email marketing tools to send out a newsletter, or even you use at www.gmail.com and you send an email, it's going to go to the inbox of other people rather than going to the spam box or in ad box. You want that, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you in a very easily step by step, which is going to make sure that your domain name is completely configured and goes to the inbox, even email marketing emails. So even your normal emails go to your audience or the people you are sending go to their inbox directly. Even you are zero in tech, you have never done anything in IT, you will be still able to configure this one completely by yourself after watching this video. I'm gonna go that easy and simple way too. Not only that, in the video I will gonna send out a snapshot in my description section of this video as well too. So check it out where you can see all kind of codes you really need to put on to make sure you configure it properly. So you will be able to do it without paying anyone else after watching this video. You want that, right? So let's get started. After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give a big hand to them? It's actually very simple. Firstly, you need to go to the domain setting, right? So you just type Weebly domain setting, domain setup. You just Google it. When you just Google it, then you will see free Weebly over hosting and manage DNS record. So basically that's the thing you wanted to go. You just click into it, and when you click this one, it appear here as well too. So but before that one, make sure that you really log into the Weebly. All right, so I'm going to go to the next of the website. So I have already logged into our website stream here. So I'm in that one already. If you're not logged in here, you should just log in there. Then all you need to do, you come to this website and you see the domains page. You click into it, and as soon as you click the domain page, it will appear. So in this one is very important. So this part you got to be careful and just follow exactly what I'm telling you. Otherwise it's going to be a problem, because you don't want to mess up your domain settings, and then your whole SEO, search engine optimization, everything will be at threats. So all you need to do, just come in here. You want to manage that one. Because you need to add some of the record to make sure that your Gmail is properly configured, and also let's email sending. So in this video, I'm going to show you two things. First, how you can configure your Gmail account properly into this domain account. All right. So to do this one, the first thing, you just come in and you click manage. When you click the manage into it, you see there are a few things coming into it. First thing is in the left side bar where you have details about your names and addresses and so on, and your phone number. You put it on in the side, but what you need to do is focus on this side, DNS record. So to DNS record is this one. All you need to do is pretty simple. You're gonna put edit, and when you press the edit, so these are the things will appear. For Gmail, you gotta add few other things. For the Gmail, you need to add 322 redirect, mail, and this is the values at gmail.com, healthrevolution.org. And then you also have to add text at, this is the value, and then also another one at, this is the value as well too. And then you're gonna add Google at domain key, and then you're going to add this value as well too. And then you're also going to have healthrevolution.org, and then you also have this value as well too. So when you add this all value, then you will be pretty much good to go. Don't worry about this one. I'm going to take a snapshot of this image. I'm going to put it in the description section so you can easily look into it after the way how I have done it, or even you can just look at the video and put it in a new tab, and you can set it up in a Weebly panel too. So that's the way we can help you out. So what I'm going to cancel. And there are a few other things you need to do. You're going to scroll down and you see the max record, right? So this is the thing is very important. So here you're going to press edit, put the one at aspmx.l google.com. Then that's the way you're going to add total 1, 5, 5, 10, 10. And then you add them all with 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all you need to do is just press save, like exactly what you've done. And then after doing this one, there's one step is very important. All you need to do, you need to come back to the website, and basically you go to click the website, and you need to publish the website, which is very simple. All you need to do is just click the publish button, it will be published. So that is very important. The second thing, now I want to show you how you can really configure your email marketing details as well too. So for me in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Sender, which is a very nice and freemium tool, which I love it because this has been allow me to send 25,000 emails a month, which is an amazing amount for me. So this is the way, after doing a lot of research, I found out this is the best ever at this moment freemium tool. So if you're considering about your tool, you should consider that one. If you're considering for free, oh, that is a good option. So here is the thing. All you need to do for email marketing thing, you don't need to do anything about the max record. All you need to do is you need to configure your DNS record. You need to do is edit. So first record is this one. You can see this one, sender domain key at healthrevolution.org. And then all you need to do is about dkimsender.v.com. And then the second thing you need to do is this one, Google/domain key, and then this is the value you need to add. Don't worry, I'm going to copy paste the whole value and put it in a description section of this video too, so you can put it on as well too. If you're trying to configure with other tools, let's say about a SurveyMonkey, or you're trying to do it from your MailChimp or any other kind of thing, go ahead and comment below in this video. I would love to give you a hand and help you out too, because it's so much important when you're sending an email. Even for email marketing, it should be going to your audience inbox. If you're even sending an email from your inbox, it should be going to your audience, their inbox. It should not be in an ad box or in the smart box. If it goes to ad box or smart box, it's absolutely zero value. So that's why it's so crucial that you get it fixed as soon as possible, and that will make sure that you really do a great communication to help your business and your marketing tools to be more successful. So all the best. If you need any other help, go ahead and comment below in this video. I would love to answer you. And if you have any other suggestions, if you're an expert there, go ahead and comment too. I would love to interact with you and become your friends. Until then, all the best.